It's Black Friday 2021 and it's time to rock and roll with the biggest savings on our plans for the year. 40% off all plans. Yes, all plans. Until December 1st, get all our plans at 40% discount, and when you grab a Pro plan, annually or lifetime, you can choose one of the many super partner deals as an additional bonus. A limited number of licenses though, so first come, first serve. Don't snooze on these deals. We're brightening up the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale by adding some new exclusive designs and giving away an iPad Pro. Say what? Say an iPad Pro giveaway. And you can take part in the iPad Pro giveaway even if you already own Brizy. Head over to the link in the description to find out how you can get one step closer to snatching up an iPad Pro for yourself this year as an early Christmas gift. Let's make sure we've got it covered. 40% off all plans? Check. Additional bonus from featured partners? Check. Exclusive designs? Check. And enter the iPad Pro competition? Oh wait, apart from the iPad Pro, we're also giving away 10 WordPress agency plans and 10 cloud agency plans. Check, check, and check. Find out more by following the link in the description and have yourself a blast of a Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Thank you, 2021.